New information tonight after a deadly helicopter crash east of the valley. It came down Friday in a remote area outside of Superior, and all 4 people on board were killed. Taylor Wirtz joins us tonight with the very latest. Taylor.
Yeah, Brian, family members tell me it was a Queen Creek man from Oregon, David McCarty, and his nieces, also from Oregon, who were killed. It was actually McCarty's wedding day, and he was taking the girls for a ride before the ceremony. Family members identify his nieces as Caitlin Heidemann and sisters Rachel and Faith McCarty, all in their early 20s. They say David owned several helicopters and had been flying them for years. He has flown Telegraph Canyon, the area near the crash site, plenty of times with no issues and knew the area well. The Pinal County Sheriff's Office says the helicopter crashed around 11 a.m. yesterday near the canyon after taking off from Pegasus Air Park in Queen Creek. Authorities say initial findings point to a recreational slack line playing a role in the crash, which had been strung across a mountain range. Eyewitnesses say the helicopter struck a part of the line before falling to the bottom of the canyon. The family tells me everyone who knew the victims is shattered at this news, especially the small town of Echo, Oregon, where the girls are from.
I mean, when they say it takes a village to raise a child, that's the epitome of these communities. Everybody had a hand in raising these girls. The families lost 50% of their children.
I'm so
sorry. on the wedding day, which was supposed to be a celebration. So yeah, it's extremely tough. Nobody ever anticipates this sort of thing to happen, and it's just heart-wrenching.
Involved. The FAA and NTSB are investigating the official cause of the crash tonight. Brian.
It's really heartbreaking. Thank you, Taylor.